The next sandhi is yana sandhi. Yana sandhi also comes under swara sandhi. So now we discussed dirgha sandhi. There are 4 answers. Guna sandhi, there are 3 answers. Vriddhi sandhi, there are 2 answers. I think you may assume, so yana sandhi, there is 1 answer. No, do not. Yana sandhi, again there are 3 answers. Okay. You know, my dear students, there is one speciality in yana sandhi that I will tell you later on. Or you think yourself. After seeing the answer, you have to think yourself, yes, if your answer is correct, appreciate. I will appreciate and of course correct. Otherwise, I am here to explain that. Now, we will see what is yana sandhi. The rules. Here, a or a is not going to lead. Dirgha sandhi, guna sandhi, vriddhi sandhi, we saw a. Especially guna sandhi and vriddhi sandhi, I told first word should end either a or a. But in yana sandhi, it is not like that. Because we have to give a chance for all the letters, right? See, in Sanskrit, equality. Even in grammar, they gave importance for all the letters. It is not only because a came first, a only lead. No. Now the chance for e, u, and r. Right. So the rules. First, you please focus the rules. When the first word ends with e or e, followed by not e or e. You know why? If followed by e or e, it will go to dirgha sandhi. Because e followed by e, answer is e, like that. No. So when the first word ends with e or e, followed by other than e and e, any swara. Any swara you can take. Next, u followed by other than u, any swara. R followed by other than r, any swara. So there are 3 steps. Of course, there are 3 answers. Then we'll get the answer. Suspense. That answer I will write. You just focus. Okay. Why I am telling you suspense means, yes, I told you beginning itself. You have to understand what is the speciality in yana sandhi. I am sure you will get it when I will write the answer. Okay. Name of the sandhi. First I am writing name of the sandhi. Yana sandhi. They will say yan sandhi or yana sandhi. Okay, whatever, no problem. The answer is 3. I told there are 3 answers. Rules. When the first word ends with e or e, followed by samana swara should not come. Samana swara means same e or e followed by e or e. Asamana swara means other than e or e. So I am just writing here asamana swara, which you have to understand. Asamana swaraha or swaraha. Then what happened is equal to this e or e. Please focus properly. These 2 e or e will convert into u. You will get the answer u. Then this is 1. Later on we'll see the example. Second, after e, u or u, when followed by same. I am not writing asamana swara once more. Asamana swara swaraha. You will get the answer v. Third, when word is ending with r or r, first word should end, followed by asamana swara, answer is r. Now my dear students, I told beginning of this yana sandhi, I am not going to tell you the speciality of this sandhi and what is the answer. I am sure you understood the answers. These 3 letters comes under answers. And please focus. Yes, it is not a vowel. V is not the vowel. R also not the vowel. That is speciality of yana sandhi. In yana sandhi, when the words are ending, first words are ending with e, u, r, r, it is a vowel, followed by vowel, okay? And then what happened? These letters will convert into consonant u, r, and join with that swara, whatever swara next comes. That is why I told, please careful. When these letters e, u, r, followed by asamana swara, the swara which is not equal swara, that means e should not follow e. If e follow e, it will go to e, long dirgha swara. Already we discussed. U should not follow u. R should not follow r. Answer is r. That's why I wrote asamana swara. Then we got the answer, means this e, it will convert into u, and that u will join with this swara. U convert into v joins with this swara. R convert into r joins with this swara, and we'll get the answer. Now we'll see the step 1 example. 1. I have to write the word which is ending with e or e. I am writing answer Hari. Yes, Hari is ending with e. I should not give next starting with e. I should give some swara, any swara. After e, any swara. So Hari plus I am writing here atra. So my dear students, please focus. The word ends with e. Second word started with a. Here only I told, careful. Here these two letters are not going to compromise. Because in Guna Sandhi, Vriddhi Sandhi, I told you, those letters they are going to compromise and new letter will come. It is not like that. E only is going to compromise itself, and the e convert into u, and that u will join with a. Simple example, just see. And now you just go to the steps. Hari, remove that e. So what happened? Ha plus r. Please focus. Ha plus r, har. And in the place of e, what new letter you are going to get? The letter u. So har plus u plus atra. Now what happened, my dear student? This is the new answer you got, and this is pure consonant. Vyanjanam, which is Sanskrit we say Vyanjanam, in English consonant. So har plus u plus atra, you got the answer like this. Har yatra. Yes, because u and ya and har r. The r, because there is no support, there is no vowel, it sits on the top of the u letter like a form of C. So Hari plus atra, from Hari you remove that e, har, and e convert into u, and u joining with atra, you got the answer har yatra. This is the answer of Yana Sandhi. That is why beautiful. Yana Sandhi is very beautiful because two changes. Two letters are not going to compromise, step 1. Only first letters are going to compromise, and the place of first letter, whatever answer you are going to get, it is not a vowel, it's a consonant. Y, yirilu, but there, v, consonant, r also consonant. Okay, this is one example. Now we'll go to next example. Example 2. I should end the word u or u. Guru. Very good. If I go guru plus uvacha, guru vacha, already we discussed in Dirgha Sandhi. Guru plus any other swara? A, E. Yes. Guru plus iti. Yes, E. I got it. Always remember, my dear boys, only Sanskrit word you should take, because this is Sanskrit language. You don't take any other language examples, right? So guru plus iti. Now the u is going to convert into v. We are going to analyze that step. So from guru, remove that u, because u is going to u full and full going to compromise and changing into v. So from guru you remove that u, you got the answer gur. Please focus. I remove that u. So gur. In place of u, we got the letter V, and that V plus iti. And now if you join, you will get the answer gur plus V, gur V plus iti, gur viti. So you will get the answer like this, gur viti. Yes, V. You can see the answer V. Guru plus iti, gur viti. Again, this V is pure consonant, not a swara. This is example 2. Now we'll go to example 3, R. So again I have to give that particular word which ends with R. So Pitr. This is example for 3. Pitr. Okay. Plus iti. Very simple. You should not start second word same R. If the second word starts same R, Pitru plus R, Pitru, double C will come, which goes to Dirgha Sandhi. Always calculate and remember other Sandhis. And you know one speciality of Sanskrit, once if one Sandhi is entered, the other Sandhi won't come and disturb. A beautiful, it is a kind of character of Sandhi's character. Once one Sandhi is approved, another Sandhi won't come and disturb. So, Pitru plus iti, what happened? This R convert into this R. That's why I told pronunciation wise same. A, I, U, R, and the consonant Y, R, that R, pronunciation same. But in the answer you have to understand. So, Pitr, remove that R, you got the answer, Pit. Yes, very good. From Pitr, remove that R, Pit. And you are going to get this consonant, R plus iti. Yes. Please focus. You will get the answer Pitriti. See, Pitriti. Here the symbol of the stroke is symbol of R. So Pitr first step Pitr plus iti. Yes, when we are seeing Pitr plus iti, yes, we are able to understand this is example for Yanasandhi. Step 2, remove the R, Pit, and for that you got for this vowel R, this consonant R plus iti, and answer Pitriti. Therefore, Yanasandhi, there are 3 answers. Before concluding, I want to say Yanasandhi is special Sandhi. There are 3 answers. Very important things, when I, U, R followed by Asamana Swara. Asamana Swara means same vowel should not come. I should not follow I, R, U should not follow U, R should not follow R. When comes Asamana Swara, and automatically these letters are going to compromise, or they are going to sacrifice themselves, and in the place of E or E, you will get the answer U, which is pure consonant. U or R, you will get the answer V, again pure consonant. R or R, you will get the consonant R, and these E, V, R will join with that swara, and then we will get full form. Example, Pitru plus iti, Pitriti. So with this, I am sure you understood Yanasandhi.